Hi guys! Come with me again for another series of house tour dito sa Lancaster, New City, Cavite. So this is Thea Model House, 2-story townhouse. So later, i-check natin ang loob ng Thea as delivered unit. Thea has lot area of 50 square meters and with the floor area of 60 square meters. So nakikita natin dito na meron din siyang space for 1-car garage. As you can see, meron siyang space for living area and dining area. Si Thea, meron ding 1 bedroom, 1 toilet bath dito sa ground floor, while sa second floor merong 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet bath. So later, makikita rin natin na merong mini balcony na nakakonect sa master bedroom. As delivered unit, meron na tayong first coat paint, meron na rin tayong partition dito sa loob ng bahay. So, depende na lang sa inyo kung paano nyo i-improve ang bahay ninyo once na turn over sa inyo ang unit. So, meron na rin siyang tiles sa loob ng CR, pati sa sink natin. So, ito naman yung magiging space natin dito sa likod ng bahay na pwede ninyong magamit as your laundry area or pwede maging extension ng inyong kitchen. And by the way, Lancaster is located in Cavite, pinakamalapit sa Manila na housing project na nag-o-offer ng affordable financing scheme. 21 kilometers to 30 kilometers or 20 to 45 minutes away lang from MOA or NAIA via Cavitex. Ito rin ang biggest affordable township project sa buong Cavite. So if you are planning to start your investment, Thea Townhouse has 15,000 reservation only. Just call or message me for more information and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you! Enjoy watching!